Om Shanti, very good morning to one and all. Today we will go through English and Hindi Murli Sar, that is 12th May 2021. Today is also Nurses Day. Now in this COVID time, all over the world they need nurses. Those they are taking care selflessly, and in this real pandemic time, nurses are playing a very crucial role more than a doctor. They are coming very closer to the patient for 12 hours or 8 hours like that. So, happy Nurses Day to all of you. And today, मुरली 12:5 मीठे बच्चे, जब तुम संपूर्ण पावन बनोगे तब ही बाप तुम्हारी बलिहारी स्वीकार करेंगे। अपने दिल से पूछो, हम कितना पावन बने हैं। जब तुम संपूर्ण पावन बनोगे तब ही बाप तुम्हारी बलिहारी स्वीकार करेंगे। और अपने दिल से पूछो, हम कितना पावन बने हैं। प्रश्न है, तुम बच्चे अभी खुशी खुशी से बाप पर बलि चढ़ते हो, क्यों? क्योंकि तुम जानते हो अभी हम बलिहार जाते हैं तो बाप 21 जन्म के लिए बलिहार जाते हैं। तुम बच्चों को यह भी मालूम है कि अब इस अविनाशी रुद्र ज्ञान यज्ञ में सब मनुष्य मात्र को स्वाहा होना ही है। इसलिए तुम पहले ही खुशी खुशी से अपना तन मन धन सब कुछ स्वाहा कर सफल कर लेते हो। गीत है, मुखड़ा देख लो प्राणी, क्या तेरी कर्म कहानी। क्या आप अपने कर्म कहानी को देख लीजिए। टुडे धारणा के लिए मुख्य सार। नंबर 1, कर्म अकर्म और विकर्म की गति को जान। अब कोई विकर्म नहीं करना है। कर्म क्षेत्र पर कर्म करते हुए विकारों का त्याग करना है, विकर्म से बचना है। ऐसा पावन बनना है, बाबा कह रहे ऐसा पावन बनना है जो हमारी बलिहारी बाप स्वीकार कर ले। पावन बनकर पावन दुनिया में जाना है। तन मन धन इस यज्ञ में सुहा कर सफल करना है। ऐसा पावन बनना है जो हमारी बलिहारी बाप स्वीकार कर ले। पावन बनकर पावन दुनिया में जाना है। वरदान है, आलस्य के भिन्न भिन्न रूपों को समाप्त कर सदा उल्लास में रहने वाले तीव्र पुरुषार्थी भवो। आलस्य के भिन्न भिन्न रूपों को समाप्त कर सदा उल्लास में रहने वाले तीव्र पुरुषार्थी भवो। वर्तमान समय माया का बार आलस्य के रूप में भिन्न भिन्न तरीके से होता ही है। ये आलस्य भी विशेष विकार है। इसे खत्म करने के लिए सदा उल्लास में रहो। जब कमाई करने का उल्लास होता है तो आलस्य खत्म हो जाता है। इसलिए कभी भी उल्लास को कम नहीं करना। सोचेंगे, करेंगे, कर ही लेंगे, हो जाएगा, यह सब आलस्य है की निशानी है। ऐसे आलस्य वाले निर्बल संकल्पों को समाप्त कर यही सोचो कि जो करना है, जितना करना है, अभी करना है, अभी करना है। स्लोगन है, सच्चे सेवाधारी वो है जिनका सोचना और कहना समान हो। सच्चे सेवाधारी वो है जिनका सोचना करना और कहना समान हो। Then today English Murli, as it is 12th May, the pioneer of nursing is the Florence Nightingale. Actually she has come from abroad to provide a selfless unconditional love in the physical form. So today with this remembrance we will go through English Murli. Sweet children, only when you have become completely pure will your sacrifice be accepted only. Each of you should ask your heart how pure you have become. Sweet children, only when you have become completely pure will your sacrifice be accepted. Each of you should ask your heart how pure you have become. Today question, why do you children sacrifice yourselves to the Father in great happiness at this time? Answer. Because you know that by your sacrificing yourselves to the Father at this time, He will sacrifice Himself to you for 21 birth. You children also know that all human beings have to be sacrificed at this time in the imperishable jewels of knowledge. This is called imperishable jewels of knowledge. So then Baba is telling that there sacrificial fire of the knowledge of Rudra. This is why you sacrifice your bodies, mind and wealth in great happiness in advance and use everything you have in a worthwhile way. Means Baba is asking, why do you children sacrifice yourselves to the great Father in great happiness at this time? Because Baba only sacrifice everything and they gain for 21 birth. You children also know that all human beings have to be sacrificed at this time. The sacrificial fire is now just awakening. So you all have to sacrifice with this Rudra Yajna. That Rudra Yajna means this is just a yajna where everybody's self is going to be sacrificed. So today essence for dhyana, number 1 point, know the philosophy of action, neutral action and sinful action, and do not perform any more sinful action. While performing actions on the field of action, renounce all the vices and thereby remain safe from sinful action. Number 2, become pure to such an extent that the Father accepts your sacrifice and become pure and go to the pure world. Sacrifice your body, mind and wealth into this sacrificial fire and use everything you have in a worthwhile way. Today blessing. While you are receiving the blessing, visualize that Bap Dada's blessed hand is above your head and you are receiving the blessing from the God Shiv Baba. So today blessing, may you be an intense effort maker who finishes all the different form of laziness and constantly has enthusiasm. Means may you be an intense effort maker who finishes all the different form of laziness and constantly has enthusiasm. Explanation. At present Maya attacks you in various form of laziness. Laziness is a particular vice and in order to finish it, you have to remain enthusiastic. When you have the enthusiasm to earn an income, your laziness finishes, and so you must never allow your enthusiasm to decrease. I will think about it, I will do it, I will definitely do it, it will happen, are all sign of laziness. Finish all of those weak thoughts that are filled with laziness and think whatever I have to do and however much I have to do. I have to do that now. You will then be said to be an intense effort maker. Slogan. A truly serviceable soul is one whose thinking and doing are equal. A truly serviceable soul is one whose thinking and doing are equal. Okay? Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Have a good day. God bless you.